Hello guys, this tutorial gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you a very good trick to clear your C drive that you probably see people doing, like window R, and they like put pre-page and temp, and you see or still see that your C folder is not clear. So basically I'm gonna show you a trick that you go to the history of your browser. I don't know which browser you're using. Click on clear browsing data and select all of the three and click the time brace to all time. But if you wanted to save some files, or so you can just choose, like, you know what I meant, right? So just click on the clear data. Thanks for watching guys, probably this trick gonna work for you. Have a nice day.